Let's take a closer look at Satin Clear Aligners manufacturing process. First, the orthodontist takes an intraoral digital scan of the patient's teeth, along with intraoral and extraoral photographs. A detailed consultation is done to understand the needs and desire of the patient. The scan, X-rays and photographs are then uploaded to the Satin Clear Aligners portal. A team of highly experienced aligners specialist orthodontist reviews the patient's records and begins the process of designing a customized treatment setup. With the help of AI-based cutting-edge technology, the orthodontist will now be able to review, make modifications as desired and complete the treatment setup. At this stage, the expected outcome of the aligner treatment is shared personally with the patient. Once approved, the Satin Clear Aligner manufacturing process begins. A highly precise 3D printed model is printed for each stage of the aligner treatment. A proprietary material is thermoformed to produce the Satin Clear Aligners using a process that captures even the minutest details of patients' teeth and soft tissues. The aligners are then trimmed at an optimized level to capture both the hard and soft tissue anatomy of the oral structures, thus providing maximum grip onto each tooth. Satin Clear Aligners provide precision force levels for a comfortable fit and speedy treatment. This entire process is designed for exceptional aligner fit and predictable tooth movements. Once the aligners are trimmed, they are hand-finished, providing silky smooth margins for maximum patient comfort. The aligners pass through multiple quality checks throughout the manufacturing process. Once manufactured, each aligner is put through a cleaning, sterilization process. And finally, the packaging stage, where the aligners, a retainer case and a patient instruction manual are placed in a satin aligner box. The aligners are then sent directly to your orthodontist's office to help us create thousands of beautiful smiles, one smile at a time.